Hello traders, welcome to this channel. Making this video I am very skeptic. I don't know if I should give this information out to you, because after this video you are going to feel like you really didn't even use your mind once, because what I'm going to explain today is really going to blow your mind away. Trust me, just watch this video till the end. So before I continue with this video, remember I said that this year, and we'll be starting next month. So I said this year I'm taking in 100 people for the private mentorship group, and it's going to be fire. I'm telling you, we are going to be yielding these results. All this is just going to be for you in this private mentorship group. So in the meantime, you can just join the waiting list on the Telegram channel. There's nothing much going on in that channel for now. I stopped last year, so just join that Telegram channel. I'll be posting the updates there, so make sure that you join the Telegram channel. The link is on the video description. So let's get back to business. So remember last time we were talking about the alligator and then the moving average and stuff. So most people found the alligator to be very confusing, because what the alligator had were a lot of lines, and then they were talking about how the alligator wasn't doing things right for them. So I can just show you a bit of what was really wrong with people. So this was the challenge. You see all these lines that you can see over here. So people felt like, why go through all this trouble for this thing? So instead of just removing all this, so I said today I'm going to make things simple. I'm going to remove the alligator, and I'm going to be left with the moving average. So I want to show you a trick. This is the daily time frame. So we won't be using it much. So let's just take it to the 4-hour time frame like this. So on the 4-hour time frame, what I want you guys to look at is this. Remember, the basic thing about the moving average is that when the moving average is below the price, it means that there is a bullish movement of price, like here. So you can see over here that the moving average is here, right? And then you can see that there is a bullish movement of price. And then if the if the moving average, this alligator thing is getting on my mind. So if the moving average is now above the price, like here, so this is the moving average, so it means that there is what, a bearish movement of price. So that is the basic of the moving average thing. And then we said, if ever you are going to find the moving average in the middle of the trend like this, so this means that the price is ranging basically. So we said, now I said if the moving average is below, we are buying, right? But for you to confirm that you are really going to enter a buy or a sell trade, this is what you're going to do when you've got the moving average on your chart. This is basically the most easiest strategy you can ever use. This indicator is so simple with what I'm telling you right now. So this is it. Let's zoom in a bit and come in here. So we said the moving average is now just below. You can see that price came to break the moving average at this point, and then look for a bullish engulfing candle, or look for 2 consecutive bullish candles, and you are good to go. Now let's see what we have here. So for now, what we have here is a bullish engulfing candle just right here. So we've got a bullish engulfing candle with this one, okay, and we have bullish consecutive candles. Okay, before we get there, we've got another bullish engulfing candle here, and then we've got consecutive bullish candles. Otherwise I would have just entered just down there, because after getting my bullish engulfing candle, I am good to go, because I trust this strategy. So after that, you can see the movement of price. Imagine this is the 4-hour time frame, and making an entry at this point. Look at the pips we would be eating and jungling all this while. Guys, how easy can this thing be? This is the 4-hour time frame. I haven't even reached on the smaller time frames, because I just want to show you what you can be doing over here. Now for when we want to enter a sell trade, this is what we are going to do. You can see price here is coming just below the moving average, telling us that price is going to be bearish, right? Now what we are going to look for are two consecutive bearish candles or a bearish engulfing candle. And in the meantime, what we have here are bearish consecutive candles. That is good, that's all right. Now check this out. You can see if we made our entry point at this level over here, and you can see price now going back up, right? And you can see it again going back up. Remember, I told you that whenever you have an entry point, price will always go back to retest that last key level that you entered from. So don't panic when now you see price going up like that, even reaching at this point. Why? That's why I would advise you that you use, let me just take it like this so that you can see. So remember, our entry point was here, right? So I would advise you that you rather put or place your stop loss reaching just or slightly around this region. Why? Because price is going to go and retest like it was doing here, so that you don't panic when price begins to do those things, because your stop loss area is at that level, so there is no panic. And mind you, after that you can see the bearish movement of price, although it was doing as if it's a cave, but just look at this. You can see that whole area. Remember, this is the 4-hour time frame, guys, and it's so easy. So now at this point we would have just placed another entry over here after price came again over here. So we're just going to look for consecutive bearish candles or a bearish engulfing candle and place another trade over there. So that was the 4-hour time frame. We can just take it down. This is the 5-minute time frame. Either way, it's all good even there, but here remember I said the trick for the smaller time frames is that we increase the lot size, because we are trying to do some small scalping but big profits. Remember, our motto is that we minimize losses and we maximize profits. So that is what we are all about. So let's say this is our entry point after getting consecutive bullish candles, and we are using a bigger lot size, and after using a bigger lot size we are taking our profits with us all the way. And then over here you can see price has just come below the moving average, and we've got a bearish engulfing candle and we've got bearish consecutive candles. Look at this, just check this out. So we've got consecutive bearish candles, we've got a bearish engulfing candle, and that is where we make our entry. So that is our entry point, and after that we are showing our profits just like that. So do you see that using the moving average you can be making serious money? But there is no much thinking here, really no much reasoning. You just wait for a bullish engulfing candle or bullish consecutive candles if you want to buy. If you want to sell, wait for a bearish engulfing candle or bearish consecutive candles. How hard can that be, guys? If you want to learn more about forex strategies, make sure you follow this channel. Just click the subscribe button, leave a comment, and I'll be seeing you soon. You take care in the meantime. Bye.